El Caminante is a one-act opera written originally in Spanish by Cuban composer Eduardo Sánchez de Fuentes, who lived in the first half of the 20th century. It's based on a play called Era Él by Francisco Villaspesa. I edited both scores, the piano vocal score and the orchestra score, based on the manuscript that I found in the Harvard Law Library. It tells the story of a wanderer that heals a woman that has been sick for 5 years. It tells the story of how love heals us.